Hi dear student, I am coming with chemical nature of haloarine compound and its comparison. Chemical nature of haloarine compound and its comparison with haloalkane. Chemical property of haloarine compound. Okay. And mainly comparison between haloalkane and haloarine. How? Okay. First and foremost, haloalkane do not have resonance. Okay. They do not have resonance. But in haloarine have a resonance. Okay, like this haloalkane X H H H. Okay, without resonance. Haloalkane do not have a resonance. Haloarine, it have a resonance like this. Okay, with X. X mean to say FClBrI. Okay, it's like this. Now, in addition with this, haloalkane, haloarine. Okay, haloarine. This is the first. This is the second. Haloalkane, haloarine. Resonance structure we have already discussed in electrophilic substitution, but I mentioned just for your knowledge. Like this, haloalkane. Like this. This lone pair, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair. Okay. Attack on this carbon and open up this. Like this. Negative charge X. Okay, with positive charge. Same way, this and this will be open up this X. Okay, and so this negative charge shifting here and here. I forgot the atom on this. So negative charge, okay, in this position, negative charge here. Then negative charge attack on this carbon and open up this. So it will produce structure like this, this, this with positive charge, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair. Here the negative charge. This negative charge attack on this carbon and open up this double bond. So X double bond, double bond, double. Here. Okay. Here the resonance structure 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. In these 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 structure. Carbon halogen double bond. Here carbon, here, here, here. Carbon halogen double bond. So this double bond. So bond length decrease. Okay. I will explain these things in next topic. Okay. Resonance effect. Now this effect onwards. Second, about hybridization. Okay. First, resonance. Second property. Hybridization. Okay. Haloalkane, my dear student, haloalkane containing sp3 hybridization and haloarine containing sp2 hybridization, like this. Haloalkane. Now any, okay, HHX, these containing sp3. No, I focus just not on this. This carbon, halogen attached carbon have a sp3 characteristics, and here X, this carbon have a sp2 hybridization. Okay, here sp3, S is equal to 25% and P here is equal to 75%, is equal to, in case of sp3, is equal to 100%. Okay, so hybridization in sp3. In sp2, S is equal to 33.33% and P is equal to 66.66%. So both combine 100% in sp2 hybridization. Okay, here S character, remember S character more. So S character increase, so electronegativity also increase. S character increase. Okay, so electronegativity also increase. So electronegativity increase, so this bond, okay, and compare with this bond. Okay. This bond do not break easily and this bond break easily because, okay, now this is the characteristics. Okay, sp2, the bond length shorter and the bond length longer. So this bond, if bond length is longer, suppose bond length longer, then this type of bond length is longer, so easily break. Okay, bond length shorter, it was quite difficult to break. Okay, this is the general concept. Okay, now here 169 picometer bond length and here around 177 picometer. Sorry. Okay, here 177 picometer and here 169 picometer. Okay, dear student, this is the comparison. Longer CX bond, or in case of CCl, or in case of like clarification. Okay, example clarification. Here 177 picometer long and here 169 picometer long in case of chlorine. So this bond length shorter and this bond length longer. So longer bond length we can easily break. Like this. This is the lock, easily break. Okay, shorter wavelength, it will be break, but it require more amount of energy as compared to another. Now this is the concept, and next things related to this, dipole moment. Okay, dipole moment. Okay, longer wave bond and high dipole, shorter and low dipole value. Okay. High dipole value mean to say it's around 2.05 d dipole moment, and it's around 1.73 dipole moment. So here in this is the both are the instance. Instead of this I prefer CH3. Okay, hybridization onwards. Here third number, dipole moment. Okay, here dipole moment 1 point are equivalent, not exact value, equivalent to 2.05 dipole moment, and here 1.73 or 1.75 around. So low dipole moment value in case of chlorobenzene. Okay, in case of CH3 CH2Cl यानी कि ethyl chloride, it means to say ethyl chloride containing high dipole moment and here containing low dipole moment. Okay, so because the resonance structure, okay, they have its own electron cloud. Okay, because of this dipole moment less, here no resonance and no electron cloud, that's why dipole moment high. Okay, halogen pull the electron and give high dipole moment value. Because of resonance, halogen cannot pull electron efficient way, that's why high. Okay, low dipole moment. Okay, these have a, now these aromatic ring have a its own electronegativity, okay, or electron cloud. That's why halogen cannot pull electron. Okay, so dipole moment lower. Here halogen easily pull the electron towards, okay, it. That's why high dipole moment, longer bond, shorter bond due to resonance. Here sp2 hybridization, here sp3 hybridization. Now next things I would like to discuss, dear student, about this. We have already discussed hybridization, okay, dipole value, hybridization, dipole value and resonance. Now in case of this cation formation, okay, in case of chlorobenzene, suppose like this is the chlorobenzene. Okay, chlorobenzene like this, chlorine have a 3 lone pair. Okay, so chlorine, this type of reaction and this type of product not produced. Okay, it will be better. So I mentioned like this. Okay, this type of carbocation, phenyl cation, do not produce. Phenyl cation do not produce. Okay, that's why phenyl cation not used in SN1 reaction. Okay, this is my typical reaction writing. Okay, style. Now next things, dear student, fifth concept, the fifth concept about repulsion theory, okay, or about repulsion. There is a repulsion forces between electron rich ring system, okay, electron rich ring system and electron rich upcoming nucleophile, okay. So here any nucleophile electron rich, here electron rich, here same way electron rich. So both have a repulsive forces. Because of these repulsive forces, we wanted to go, if substitution reaction, we wanted to go in substitution reaction, we can't add any nucleophile in ordinary condition. For this requires specific and drastic condition for this, okay, repulsion. Now this next things, in case of chlorobenzene, okay, so here nucleophilic substitution reaction, okay, first and foremost in nucleophilic substitution reaction, like this, chlorobenzene now come here, chlorobenzene now come this side, this is the chlorobenzene, react with NaOH solution 623 Kelvin and 300 bar, produce substitution reaction through produce sodium phenoxide plus hydrochloric acid and produce phenol. This is phenol, this is sodium phenoxide and this is chlorobenzene, okay. Now these things, just note one thing here, substitution occur, okay, require NaOH basic condition with 623 Kelvin temperature, 300 bar, mean to say pressure required, temperature required, first sodium phenoxide formation and then phenol, okay. It's a one of the method for preparation of phenol, okay, and this is called, as per the inventor's name, Dawes process, because discovery given by the Dawes scientist. That's why on the basis of honor this is called Dawes process. Remember this name, huh? Next things, my dear student, if this chlorobenzene have a substitution, okay, like ortho para directing or electron withdrawing group, substitution like a nitro substitution with this, okay. So reaction condition same to same, NaOH 4 143 Kelvin temperature. Okay, no requirement of pressure and produce para-nitrosodium phenoxide. Para-nitrosodium phenoxide, then second HCl. Para-nitrophenol. Okay, here. Pressure, temperature decrease. See here. Temperature decrease. Pressure not required. Pressure not required. Okay. Here. In this reaction, one, two, three, four chloro nitro benzene. Here 4 sodium phenoxide intermediate, and here same way 4 nitrophenol. Okay, name of this compound 4 nitrophenol. Okay, here the temperature decrease, no pressure requirement, and reaction easily occur because of what? Because of this NO2 group. NO2 group also considered as a ortho-para directing group. So here partial negative, and partial negative charge. So this partial negative charge, okay, will be here. So it promote, okay, it support electron withdrawing group, it support to remove this group. Okay, to remove this group. Here 1 nitro. Okay, instead of 1, I prefer 1 more. Okay, another 1 more. Instead of this, I am adding 1 nitro here, 1 nitro here, and Cl here. First, NaOH 368 Kelvin temp, so produce sodium salt, NO2, second HCl, produce OH, NO2, like this. But requirement of energy, okay, decrease like this, same way, but temperature decrease. Pressure same to same way, pressure not required. Okay, 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4 dinitrophenol. Okay, 2, 4 dinitrophenol. It's a short form. 2, 4 DNP. 2, 4 dinitrophenol. And here start name 2, 4 dinitro chloro benzene. Here temperature reduce, pressure also eliminate, and produce 2,4-dinitrophenol. In next reaction condition become most easier. Okay, become most easier like this. like this: NO2, 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 Cl. These NO2 orthodirecting these NO2, orthodirecting these NO2, paradirecting these 1, 2 and 3. Here supportable functional group only 1. This is ortho and this is 2. 2 supportive group for eliminate or for substitution of this chlorine. And here 1, 2 and 3 groups. So condition only water, warm 323 Kelvin, around 50 Celsius. So it will produce OH, NO2, 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 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, and common name of this trinitrophenol is picric acid. Common name of this trinitrophenol. Okay. This is the reaction number. Nucleophilic reaction. Reaction 1, reaction 2, supportive 1, NO2 group. Reaction 3, reaction number 4. Okay. This is all the substitution reaction of chlorobenzene. Okay. I hope it's clear. Now that conclude today's class. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, press the bell icon so you will be updated with new video. Bye bye.